Hello, this is Python 5 Minute. Today is the second day. I'm gonna actually teach you about like opposite of the print today. So it's called input. So if you see over here, I was actually creating the one function over here. So as you can see, the input is another function that takes the one parameter, which is a string that will actually shows to you. And then after that, you are actually supposed to actually write something. And then that answer will be actually loaded into memory. And then once it is in memory, then it actually printed out. So let's actually show you how it works. So once you learn, then what it shows is how old are you, which is the what I actually put it over there, right? And then that is actually prompted over here. And then what I actually when I actually just type in like 17 or I'm not actually 17, so 38, and then it will actually returns those information to the function print that we actually learned, right? So whatever that we type in will be actually returns, and then there will be actually shows on the print. So this is how it works. Okay. The second one. Okay, let's try out the second one. So how it's going to be work. So if you see that there's another print, this time remember that we can actually concatenate it between the string to the string, right? So what you're gonna do is we're gonna actually have an input function that takes how are you, what is your name, and then whatever that I answer it will be actually returned to this function position, and then there will be the string, and then that string will be concatenated with the my name is. Okay. After that, it will actually print out all of that together. So let's try out. Okay, here's things. How are you? What is your name? And then I'm gonna just put that June. Then what it happens is that June will be actually returns, and then my name is will be a concatenate with the June. Does it make sense? Okay, great. Last one. So we're gonna actually have another function that we can learn. So which is called the len. So len is nothing but it will actually count each individual character and then returns that how long it is. Okay, so let's try out. By the way, whenever I actually just do the command enter in the Mac, it will actually run. Okay, and then what is your name? And then I'll just put the June. So as you can see, this will actually returns 4. How it works? So let's say the June is the 4 character. That's why it actually returns 4, and then print will actually print out. Okay, that's it. Today's short video. Thank you.